Good afternoon, folks. It's been a while since I've done a Flipper video, and I do apologise. There's a lot of changes going on at work at the moment and in my personal life, but hey ho, such is. Right, as you know, I did a video on flashing the firmware of the Maurader board, and there is now a new firmware out, which is version 2.3. So I thought we'd just do a little recap and a quick tutorial on how to flash the new Maurader firmware onto the official Wi-Fi dev board. So without further ado, first thing, go and download the program, the files I should say, and I'll put a link in the description below. So this is for version 2.3 and it's the 19th of June today. So I've got the file, so the first thing that I shall do, I'm just going to extract all of the files to a new folder. So we'll just do that now. Okay. So in here we now have Flipper, Blackmagic, Maurader, Waroom, ESP tool and flash.bat. So again, it's really quite straightforward this, so we'll just move the camera down here. So take your dev board, take your USB-C cable, which is plugged into my laptop, while pressing the boot button, which is this one, press and insert your device. You'll hear it beep, oops, and then let go. And back into the screen. Just see if we can zoom in a little bit. And run. And I'm going to run it as administrator. I don't know whether that's necessary, but that's what I'm going to do. Run as administrator. Flashbat. ESP tool is missing. Please download and extract the full package. You may now close this window. Well, I thought that's what I'd done. Okay, so we'll run ESP tool. Okay, that would suggest to me that it hasn't detected my device. So with that in mind, we'll try this again. So boot, insert. I can't see any lights flashing there. Let's try the flash.bat again. Ah, okay, so it would appear that you've just got to hold the boot button down for a few seconds. So I think, yeah, so flash mirror, what do we want to do then? So we've got flash the Maurader, update the Maurader file, save the Flipper settings, flash Blackmagic, or download the USB UART drivers, which I don't think I need to do. So we will flash Maurader to the dev board. So option 1, enter. Okay. There's nothing actually happening on the board. No flashing lights or anything. But okay. Process is completed. Please disconnect your dev board and connect it to your Flipper Zero. Just zoom back out of there. Okay. And here is my trusty Flipper Zero. Applications. Do you know, it's been so long since I've actually been into this. Wi-Fi Maurader, there we go. Save. With compatible Maurader firmware, you can choose to save a capture. Well, for the moment, I'm just going to tell it no. Save logs, and again, no. Scan access point. And okay, so there we go. It's scanning. I'm not going to sit through while it does it, but there we go, folks. That's the easiest way of upgrading your Wi-Fi dev card to Maurader 2.3. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.